The video game industry is arguably the largest and fastest growing industry in the world.
As the video game industry continues to grow and evolve, so do the careers within it.
I was interested in cartoons, I was interested in drawing, I was interested in magic, and all those other things led me to video games.
My love for games started the moment I touched that controller. I really think it gave me a way to express myself.
Working in this industry can be a roller coaster, it can be very hard at times, but watching other people play your game and enjoy your game, there's like nothing like it. I just wanted to make something that I wanted to play.
This is a big industry. There is enough room for all of us.
This is a series exploring the diverse roles shaping the future of interactive entertainment and how you can go from play to pay.